Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My English. Today is day 15 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I am going to share with you problem I faced while learning English. So the first problem is that what people thinks if I speak wrong. This is the very first problem I faced, but but for learning you have to overcome these problems. So I overcome this problem and I try to speak in English. Now you can see that from last 15 days I speak in English and record it on YouTube. So the second problem is my grammar is not correct. While I am speaking, I am speaking lot of wrong sentences because of grammatical errors. But right now my focus is only speaking, not focus on grammatical error. So right now I avoided my grammatical errors and focus on only speaking English, so that my mouth get addicted to speaking English. And third problem is vocabulary. Right now I have not enough vocabulary, so because of this I want to speak something, but I did not get any words so that I can speak, because I know what I want to speak, but in my mind that words is not coming. Because of that I am not able to speak in English. And the one more problem is that if I speak wrong, then people makes me fun or kidding me, but I ignore all these things and take a challenge to speak in English at least 1 minute. And today is day 15. You can see that right now I am not that much fear. Right now I have not that much fear. When I was not started speaking English, that time fear was. So one major problem also is fear, because of we don't know how to speak English. So we have always a fear if we speak incorrect. People what they think, these guys are no communication skill, but I forget all the problems and take a challenge to speak English at any cost. And this and for now, from last 15 days I am getting some confidence, so that I record myself and upload it on YouTube. If you want to practice with me, you can contact me on my LinkedIn or Instagram. Link is given below in the description. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching me, and see you guys in day 16. So for now, bye bye.